Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we solve guys Bluetooth network problem in our MI phone device. Friends, you want to solve guys your Bluetooth network problem in your MI phone device. So how can we solve today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we solve guys Bluetooth network problem. Friends, first of all guys we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting I scroll it, friends click on guys your phone, this Bluetooth OS connection and sharing option guys, tap here. Friends again scroll it, friends you can see reset setting guys, tap here guys, guys we will click on Bluetooth setting and we will tap here to solve. After 4 5 seconds guys your setting has been reset and means guys your Bluetooth problem has solved. And guys you can see that Bluetooth was off. And guys now after solve guys Bluetooth network problem guys, you can see Bluetooth will on automatic. After on guys you want to use your Bluetooth setting guys, you can on and off from here. And guys you can connect any device from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to solve Bluetooth network problem. Bye guys.